From Inside 300 with this breaking news update about one of the world's most famous roller coasters. Top Thrill Dragster, the world's first strata coaster, which opened at Cedar Point in 2003 and shut down in 2021, will finally reopen in 2024. Now, I say reopen, but in reality, it's a completely new coaster that will be debuting. The new ride will be called Top Thrill 2. And instead of the one launch that the legendary ride had, the new coaster will feature 3 different launches. And get this, one of them will be backwards at over 100 miles per hour. The backwards launch will send you up a new second tower that will rise above the Cedar Point skyline. In a bit of a surprise move, though, apparently Cedar Point is fine letting King Dakar at Six Flags Great Adventure remain the height and speed king of America, as they add an opportunity to eclipse the 456-foot and 128-mile-per-hour height and speed marks with Top Thrill 2, but chose to remain true to the Dragster's original record numbers. Keep it here and click that bell icon. Hello, bell. If you want more updates on Disney, Universal, and theme parks worldwide.